we got one more little thing to cover, and I hope you guys appreciate this. This is just a comedic palate cleanser, if you will. So let us talk about the origins of masturbation, traced back to primates 40 million years ago. Here we go. There's some bonobos. Evolutionary biologists have traced the origins of masturbation to ancient primates that predate the first humans by tens of millions of years. The finding emerged from what scientists believe is the largest data set ever compiled of the activity and confirms that humans arose on a branch of the tree of life replete with self-pleasing predecessors. What we can say is this behavior was present around 40 million years ago in the common ancestor of all monkeys and apes, said Dr. Matilda Brindle, the lead researcher of the study at the University College of London. It's not that some species woke up one day and started doing that. This is an ancient evolved trait. Brindle and her colleagues delved deep into the history of the behavior in the hopes of understanding the origin of what at first glance seems an evolutionary conundrum. That's kind of funny. Masturbation is an evolutionary conundrum. From an evolutionary perspective, masturbation appears costly, distracting, and wasteful, even risky. To construct the history of the act, scientists pulled together hundreds of publications, questionnaire responses, and personal notes about masturbating primates from primatologists and zookeepers. They then mapped the information on the primate evolutionary tree, revealing how the activity reached back through time. Writing in Proceedings of the Royal Society B, and I did go check that out, but it's all very technical, so I thought I would just read this from the Guardian reporting on it, since it's more eloquently written, I suppose. The team describes how masturbation appeared common across primates of all sexes and ages, but what it evolved more than 40 million years ago is less clear. Historically, biological studies have neglected females, giving the authors little good data to go on. For males, however, there's at least a hint. The scientists analysis found support for the idea that male masturbation boosted the chance of impregnating a mate. For example, a low-ranking male may masturbate just enough to increase their arousal before sex, meaning they inseminate their partner faster, and before a burly competitor has a chance to knock them off and spoil the fun. Masturbation could also help males to shed old sperm, leaving them with fresher, more competitive sperm for sex. That was not the only apparent driver. The researchers found that male masturbation in primates rose in line with the level of sexually transmitted infections. One explanation could be that masturbation after sex helps flush the genital tract, reducing the risk of infections taking hold. Brindle said more data was needed to nail down the evolutionary driver for masturbation in females. One idea is that masturbation before sex affords female primates some influence over which males get them pregnant by making the vagina less acidic. It becomes more hospitable to the chosen mate's sperm. This is such a common behavior across the animal kingdom. I find it absolutely baffling that nobody has researched it before, said Brindle. For people who think masturbating is wrong or unnatural in some way, this is perfectly natural behavior. It's part of our healthy repertoire of sexual behaviors. I hope you appreciate this article. Before you move on, I was asking for Guardian support, but yeah. So masturbation is deeply rooted in human evolution. Yep. The evolution of masturbation is associated with post-copulatory selection and pathogen avoidance in primates. That's a really long paper, but it shows the branches that masturbate. So it takes off in basically in monkeys. Monkeys masturbate. Tarsiers don't masturbate. Nope. But apparently monkeys do. Yeah. Good stuff. All right, and that wraps up our bizarre case of opposable thumb convenience. Wonder if our opposable thumbs are, because they evolve right alongside, right? So that was Strange Science for today. Thank you so much for joining. Tune back in on Wednesday for Creation Watch, and then on Friday we'll have some Cryptic Corner, and then Saturday morning we'll be right back here for Live from the Hive, where you get to be in the audience with all these lovely folks right that you see commenting over here. You can hang out and drop your comments. So again, please remember to be kind, take care, and we will see you next time.